has to be Smash. Oh, please. Oh, Reggie. Reggie, please. I can't fucking take this. What is this, Reggie? This is, I don't think. Oh! Here we go. Here we fucking go. Here we fucking go. Oh! What? What is this? You're kidding me! Holy shit! Cars and Smash Brothers! What? Oh no! Holy shit! Oh! Are you kidding me? No one saw this coming. No one saw this coming. Oh! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You're kidding me! Niggas said it wasn't possible? Cloud Strife! Oh no, it's over. It's over, dog. Fucking! He's got Zack's outfit too! Is this? Oh shit! You're kidding me? Oh fuck. Niggas said it wasn't possible. Am I really looking at this right now? Cloud is in Smash! Oh. What? He's a limit break? He's broken. What? Is this the balance? This level! Are you seeing this? Niggas is at the Steam One power plant! Holy shit! You're kidding me! What? My boy! You're kidding me! Fucking Cloud is in Smash!